Hello internets. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to make a GIF on your Mac, record your screen and animate it, and GIF. Super important these days, should be taught in schools. Not sure why it's not. So here it is, education for you. You go to Gif Brewery, that's the tool that I like to use when it's not glitching, and search for it on Google. Here's the first link is obviously the website, their official website, where you should be able to download it, but this link is broken. Oh, it actually works. Let's see. There we go. So this is the thing. It's gonna open up Apple Store. I already have it installed. One thing that I learned that it actually paid now about 7 Singapore dollars, whatever. It's like $5 US. It's worth the investment. Anyway, so now that you installed it, you want to open it up, right? So this is the welcome screen. And here you can choose what you want to record. So I want to record a logo animation. I'm going to my favorite website of the time. All right, so I want to record these logos being animated. So I'll open up Gif Brewery, hit record screen. It's gonna show me this rectangle that I can resize to my liking. So I'm gonna resize it to the size of these logos. There's cogwheel, allows you to select whether you want to include the mouse in the screen capture or not. Hit record. And I start the animation. Bam. And I hit stop. So now it's going to show me this small editor where I can see the kind of the outcome of the animation. If I want, I can resize the image, because sometimes if you're recording a screen and it's a large screen, it's going to be very large. The GIF, you want to resize it down so it's a bit more manageable. You're able to crop the duration. So for example, I want to keep my cursor somewhere there. The beginning should be, yeah, looks like that. Play. Maybe I want to speed it up, so click on settings. Speed up by, I don't know, some amount of percentages. There you go, it's much faster. And there are a few options. I can create a GIF, and I can create an MP4, which is also pretty useful. So Command G or Command F for those geeks among you who wants to do it way faster. All right, so if I click create here, it's gonna just start rendering a GIF. Huge success, 300 kilobytes almost. Save. Save to desktop. Hit enter. Okay, so if I go to desktop now, there we go. Bam. GIF. Got it. Make sure to like, subscribe. This is really going to help me out. Just getting started here, so